So to begin, we're going to satin stitch the flower pot itself, which if you aren't sure how to satin stitch, you can go back and watch my video that shows you how to do satin stitches. And we're just going to fill in this entire square. Now you'll notice I didn't stitch all the way over to the far right line of the box. And I did this intentionally to show you that sometimes, you just don't quite get it perfect, and that's okay, because you can always go back and just fill it in as I'm going to show you. It's not a big deal. You're only working with 3 strands of floss, so to fill it in is really easy, but don't feel like you have to get every single stitch absolutely perfect. Try to get it as close as you can, and then you can always just fill in the gaps later. So for the stripes on the pot, what we're going to do is take the floss and use it to kind of measure where we want the stripes to be. So it can actually be our ruler and help us line them up, because that is one thing, you do want the stripes to be straight, unless you're doing a zigzag pattern, but in this case I do want them straight. So I just use the floss to help measure, so that way I make sure that the stripes look really good.